Hello friends, today we are going to learn about fractions. This is especially for class 4 and could be useful for class 3 and class 5 as well. So let us begin. In simple, the fraction is a part of something. That could be a part of one whole or a part of a group. If you take it as a part of, either you can take it as a part of one whole or a part of one group. One example I am giving for a part of a whole. I am taking circle, dividing it into 4 equal parts and selecting one part. Now I can represent this as 1/4 of circle. Here the circle is one whole, this circle is one whole. If I go for a group, here I am taking group of 8 circles and selecting 2 circles here. Now I can represent this circle, group of circle as 2/8 of a group of circles. So now a numerator and denominator. It's simple. When we write a fraction numbers, we write one number divided by a line and another number. For example, if I write 4 divided by 8, this number above the dividing line is called numerator, and this number below the dividing line is called denominator. So now coming to how to write a fractional number from a given picture. Example, a circle. I am dividing a circle into 4 equal parts, selecting one part out of that. Now how could I write this into a fractional number? So the circle is divided into 4 equal parts. The total number of equal parts will go to denominator. Here it is 4 equal parts, so denominator will be number 4. The number of part selected or highlighted will be numerator. Here it is one part selected, so it will become a numerator, and there is a dividing line, so now it becomes 1/4. A second example, I am taking a rectangle, dividing it into 7 equal parts, selecting 3 parts out of that. Now the total number of equal parts is 7, and thus 7 becomes a denominator, and selected part, that is number 3, that becomes numerator. Thus this can be represented as 3/7. Now what is equivalent fractions? The fractions that name the same part are called equivalent fractions. In other words, the fractions that tell about or represent the same part of the same whole are called equivalent fractions. Okay, if we get an example, we can come to know it easily, we can understand it easily. Here I am taking example of rectangle, 3 same rectangles. First rectangle I am dividing into 2 equal parts, second one into 4 equal parts, and third one into 8 equal parts. Here I am selecting one part, here I am selecting 2 parts, here I am selecting 4 parts. This one I can write it as 1 by 2, this one 2 by 4, the third rectangle 4 by 8. So if you look at these fractional numbers, all fractional numbers are different, but actually all the fractional numbers are representing the same part, the same parts in each rectangle. See, all the parts are of same size or representing the same part. So this 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 and 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. So in the next video we will learn about like and unlike fractions, comparing like fractions, addition and subtraction of like fractions. So if you like this video, please click on thumb icon below. If you want to watch all videos, please subscribe the channel.